Sweet, spicy, and rich. This is my version of Atsuete beef bowl. Hi guys, this is Chef Morris Danzen from chefmorrisdanzen.com, and today we're gonna use this beautiful cut of meat. It's called flank steak and it's perfect for our budget. It's very inexpensive and you can easily find anywhere in the supermarket or in the market. Anywhere where you are, it's available. So first of all, we're gonna slice our beef. So now we want to cut it against the grain. The most important thing is that we cut it thinly. It is very important to cut it like that to be very soft and tender later on. Then we're gonna marinate our beef in one bowl. I'm gonna add some soy sauce from Mamacita's Toyo at Calamansi. Next, we're gonna add some of annatto oil or Atsuete, but you can also use some Atsuete powder if you don't have some Atsuete oil. And of course, Atsuete powder, it's more easier to find anywhere. I'm gonna add some cornstarch. This is one of our secret ingredient and it will add some nice crispiness to our beef. And also later on, it will give an additional creaminess to our sauce. All right, let's mix our beef really well and let it rest for a while. But then now let's prepare our sauce. So for the sauce, I'm gonna add some oyster sauce from Mamacita's. Some soy sauce. Again, I'm using Atsuete oil. Then 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar to add some sweetness. A tablespoon of gochujang chili paste. You can also use any kind of chili to give the kick to our dish. Then some chicken stock, or you can also use some beef stock or some water. I'm gonna add a little bit of Japanese vinegar. You can also use a normal vinegar if that's available. Let's mix it well with our wire whisk. All right, and then we are ready to pan fry our beef. Let's get one pan, heat up some oil, then let's add our marinated beef. So in a medium heat, let's just caramelize both each sides of our beef. We will cook it for around 30 seconds each side. You can see the caramelization that is going on with our beef and set it aside. Now in the same pan where we fried our beef, we will now saute some garlic. We want to golden brown our garlic together with our ginger. Let's add some minced ginger. Then if you remember, we're gonna add now our prepared sauce we prepared earlier. We'll let it boil and simmer for a while. Then I will add some slurry. Slurry is a mixture of water and cornstarch. It will make our sauce even more creamy. It's time to add our beef. And our spring onion. We added our spring onion later on because we don't want to saute it with the garlic and the ginger. The reason why is that we will add some slimy texture from our spring onion and we want to preserve that crispiness and the nice color to add to our nice presentation later on. And let's just simmer it for 2 to 3 minutes and we are done. We can now enjoy our Atsuete beef bowl. So here is our dish for the day. I hope you like it. It's so easy, budget meal, and perfect for our everyday quick lunch or dinner. As you can see, it's so beautiful and let's try. It's best paired with rice, and it's so delicious, spicy and sweet at the same time. I will see you guys in our next recipe video. I hope you like this one. Please comment your suggestions or questions down below. Happy cooking, everyone.